Hey guys, Mr. Wells here, coming to you live, or at least I think it's live. It's probably not by the time you see this, but good morning, good afternoon, or good night. I'm coming to you with the second part of our R factor series. In the first video, you guys came across what does E plus R equals O, and we focused on the R factor. So real fast, tell me, what does E plus R equals O stand for? What does it mean? What is this whole focus on the R factor? You guys should be able to do that. But in this video, we're going to focus on the 6 main steps that you can do personally and you can teach others to do to better your R factor. So, step number 1, press pause. What does press pause mean? What are we doing here? Pretty simple. Before you respond, think about what is going to be your outcome. Take a deep breath. All right. Get off of autopilot mode, get off your phone, and be in the moment and focus on your R. So step number 1 is press pause. Step number 2, get in the right mindset. Get your mind right. So what does that mean? What does step number 2 mean? This means to take all emotions and put them aside. All right. Get in the mindset and have the discipline. Hey, I have to respond in an appropriate manner. So I know for a fact when I'm hungry, I respond a little bit differently. I know when I'm tired, I definitely respond a lot differently if I wasn't tired. And the worst one for me is hangry. When I'm hungry and tired, oh man, I can be a bad man. All right. So take all of your emotions, your feelings, and throw them out so that you can respond appropriately to a just a basic event or maybe a crucial conversation, whatever that event might be. Step number 3, step up. What do you think step up means? Step up is where we actually respond and take action in order to achieve the outcome you want. So, step 1, press pause. Step number 2, get your mind right, get in that mindset. Step number 3, this is where you step up and you rise to the occasion, whatever that event might be, and respond. So first 3, now we're responding. The next 3 is what you're going to be doing after you respond. So step number 4 is adjust and adapt. What in the world does that mean? That simply means after you respond, and you are pretty good at responding in a positive, appropriate manner, you're going to ultimately adjust and adapt to the situation. Obviously, time changes, so you need to be flexible. And you need to monitor how did your response play an impact on that outcome. Step number 5 is make a difference. Your R is an E to a lot of people. So the way you respond is an E or an event to a lot of people. So make sure you are giving value to other people, all right? And you realize that your R has a great impact and can be an E to other people. And then the last step, step number 6, is build skill. What does build skill mean? Pretty simple, all right? Get better at responding. Get better with your R factor. Build the R factor habits and skills necessary in the life that you want. I'm sure you guys all want a great life and a life where you can control your response. So ultimately, you're focusing on not only your R, but what outcome do you want for any given situation, what event. So let's review. We've learned so far that E plus R equals O. What does that mean? Events plus our response equals the outcome. Our focus is on the R factor, the way we respond. And now you guys just learned 6 steps that you can do personally on any given basis to better your R. So let's review. Step number 1, press pause. Step number 2, get your mind right. Step number 3, that's where you take action and you step up. Step number 4, adjust and adapt. 5, make a difference. And step number 6, build skill. Hopefully you guys apply these steps and truly understand what you need to do to better your arm. That's all I have for you today. Look forward to our next segment in our R Factor discipline. Thanks, guys.